Injective with a massive update happening here, which is going to be called Volan. Huge news on this. So before we get into Injective's upgrade, let's get into where it's been, right? Injective is up 41.50% in this last month alone. It's had a massive run here. In the last year, it's up 2,300%. You're like, whoa. Where am I going to get into this thing? What is this upgrade? What price level should I be looking for? We're going to dive in, cover all of that. So if you haven't smashed those likes, smash those likes. Let's get right into it. But, Injective, what is it? It's built for finance. Straight up, nothing but straight, pure finance. It's backed by Binance, Pantera, Jump, and Mark Cuban. And it's actually pretty freaking fast and pretty freaking cheap, as you guys can see here, to use and create financial apps. So what does this upgrade do? This upgrade is actually pretty simple, straightforward, and great for tokenomics. It's a Cosmos base. If you didn't know, Injective is on Cosmos, right? A blockchain about interoperability. The upgrade is going to be Volan, and the main focus on it is to bring real-world assets and improve interactions with other Cosmos chains. So if we roll down here, another aspect of this Volan upgrade is the expansion of the inter-blockchain communication IBC protocol on Injective, allowing improvised interaction between Injective and other chains within the Cosmos ecosystem, which is great. This is what we need. We need more blockchains working together and accessing everything that's being built on the ecosystem. You don't want these cryptos to be isolated and by themselves. If we go down here a little bit further, with this upgrade as well, Injective has introduced changes to the tokens on-chain inflation parameters, which is amazing because you don't want to see this thing continue inflating. There's a lot of people staking it. There's a lot of people using it for airdrop farming right now. So you don't want to inflate these numbers forever. You want there to be some deflationary aspect. And that's exactly what they're doing. They're trying to make Injective increasingly deflationary over time. They've also, like down here, you can see a 40 million fund round was by Jump Crypto, Binance, Pantera Capital, and Mark Cuban, which is amazing. So what you must be thinking, well, okay, sounds great. It's going to be deflationary. It's working with interoperability with other things on the Cosmos ecosystem. It had a massive run. What levels am I looking for? Well, these are the levels that I'm looking for here. We've recently tried to make a new all-time high here with this wick up to about $45, 45, 30 cents. We've been rejected there. There's some critical levels up here at 43, 42. These are all massive resistance. The market right now with Bitcoin is having a bit of a downturn since the ETF approval. So don't expect anything great to be happening here for the price, which is actually what I believe to be opportunity. Bitcoin's dumping. ETH is trying to hang in there, right? Injective could also have a pullback here, which is much needed at this point. As you guys can see here, at the beginning of December, we were down at 15 bucks, and since then, it's been nothing but blast off time. So this is the monthly range for December, huge range, right? Big movement happening. We've had a bit of consolidation since the ending of December on the 20th, right? From the 20th all the way to now. And then this is the tight range that we've been in for January. We're looking here at the daily chart. So if we lose the value area low for January's range of 36 bucks, this should be, some support here. But if we lose this, we're going to be looking for 34, 33. Hopefully we can break down below this, right? If you haven't got a position in, I'm hoping for this 29. Close to this. Anything lower than that is definitely massive buy zone for me. I'm going to be loading up my bags. Anything below 29 for sure. Even close to 29, I'm going to start be loading because I don't have a position in Injective yet, but I will be looking for these levels. If we don't get as low as this or anything lower than here, because if we break below 29, we don't have any big supports here. Like as you guys can see, maybe here at 26, we have a node of volume, another smaller node at 22, and then the next big node comes here around $18, which is the point of control for December. And that's about it. So 31 to 29, if this doesn't hold, check out for these lower levels. I'm going to be loading up the truck for Injective at that point before this bull run really fires off. But if not, the lowest you can expect here is 35.9. Hold this support somewhere in this area. This is where I'm going to be loading in the low to mid 30s. Hopefully that breaks and we come a lot lower, and that's where I'm really going to be loading up the bag. So there you guys have it. Injective protocol having a massive upgrade, right? What do you guys think? Drop your comments down below. Hit it in the chat. Let me know. What are you back? Are you buying a bag of Injective? If you are, what price did you get in? Or are you looking to get in? Let me know in the chat. And also let me know what other protocols or cryptos in general you want me to cover here next. Drop it down below, guys. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. So question everything, trust nothing. And until next time, hodl like it's hot. See you guys.